the ferry crossing. Obviously there's no ferry. That little blue boat there, stuck in the middle of the lake. Alright, so going back in and start the cross. If the ice crack, I can't swim. See on the map, we're right in the middle of the lake. Okay. Here we go. Alright, we're on sea. Over on the ice. Don't want to stay on this too long. There's that boat. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Never done this before. You won't ever get this in southwestern Ontario. We're across. That's pretty cool. Alright, goodbye Norway. Off to Thompson. Okay, back to time lapse.